I had some subjects to do. The subject of for the theme for the fashion show is GOLDENHERO. So I came here with idea to they would create some concept. They would think about which hero they like, which hero they could choose, someone who they is inspired them or someone they follow, even idol, and create being inspired to make the whole collection. But the level is very different because we have people with all ages between 13 years old till I guess 60 few. But we have really big difference in ages and also big difference in levels. So some people really know sewing, they know what they want, they are really strong with the concept. But some students are younger and they still need to guide, and some students even tried first time a sewing machine. The workshop took 4 weeks. And it's very short to make whole collection, in fact, but it was very ambitious and it was big challenge for all of them. A lot of work. Most of students are already very tired and they work even by night. I heard yesterday they were working till 3 or 4 o'clock in the night. So it is always like this with fashion. It's always a lot of work till last moment. Friday there is a fashion show with theme GOLDENHERO. The fashion show will be at Ateliers 89. It's gonna be 11 designers showing with mostly time 5 or 6 silhouettes. So it's gonna be around 1 hour show with many different ideas, so we can see all inspiration from and overview of Arubian talents. So we have a lot of talent. You have a lot of talented people here, in fact. So I'm really proud of them. So please come and enjoy.
Ehecuta e Arubiano, o website